Hello everyone, welcome to physics analysis. Today we shall be discussing about properties of charge. Like other physical quantities, electric charge also exhibits some properties as follow: like, unlike property, additivity of charge, conservation of charge, quantization of charge, invariance of charge. So let us discuss one by one in detail, right? So the first one is like unlike property, right? So the first one is like unlike property. So like unlike property means what? सेम ओनली लाइक चार्ज जो है, लाइक चार्ज रिपेल ईच अदर, ओके, रिपेल ईच अदर, बट अनलाइक चार्ज जो है, अनलाइक चार्ज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Right? See, like unlike property, very common property of charge. You might have observed that like charge जो है ना repel each other, while unlike charge जो है attract each other. You can see here. Now the second property is now the second property is additivity of charge. Additivity of charge. See, actually of charge, the total charge, right, of a system can be obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system, right? According to additivity of charge, the total charge of a system can be obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system, right? Suppose a system contain n charges like q1, q2, q3 dot. Then what is the total charge on the system? What is the total charge of the system? Total charge is equal to, you can find out by adding algebraically, by adding simple addition rule. Q is equal to q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus dot. Already we have discussed in our previous lecture that charge is scalar quantity. So definitely, see, already we have discussed that charge is a scalar quantity. So that means scalars, how scalars are added? Algebraically only. Simple law of addition. So the total charge of a system can be obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system. Suppose a system contain n charge like q1, q2, q3 dot qn, then the total charge q, how to calculate? Q1 plus q2, simply just you add q1, q2, q3, q4 dot qn, right? For example, suppose this is one of the body. Here charge distribute 1q, 2q, 5q, 7q. This is how 2q in minus, this is in plus, 7q in minus. Then what is the total charge of the system? The total charge will be the total charge of the system is equal to Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q plus minus T2Q plus minus 7Q plus 5Q, right? So Q minus 2Q minus 7Q plus 5Q is equal to 6Q minus 9Q is equal to minus 3Q. This is the charge, right? Note it down. Additivity of charge. Charge is scalar, so definitely charge will be added algebraically by simple law of addition. The total charge of a system can be obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system. Let us suppose a system contain n charges q1, q2, q3, q4 dot qn. Then the total charge q will be q1, q2, q3, q4, like that you can add, right? Here also, here you can see the total charge जो है in this body. हाँ, simple you add q1 plus minus 2q plus minus 7q plus 5q. By adding q minus 2q minus 7q plus 5q is equal to 6q minus 9q is equal to minus 3q, right? The conservation of charge, right? Okay, property number 3rd, conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. What is this property, बच्चों? Conservation of charge. Yes, charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one body to another body. In better to say, in an isolated system, the total charge always remain constant. That's right. The total charge of an isolated system. The total charge of an isolated system remain constant or conserved, right? So this is basically conservation of charge. What does it mean? What do you mean by conservation of charge? The total charge of an isolated system. The total charge of an isolated system always remain constant or conserved. Now what does it mean? Isolated system. What is the meaning of isolated system? See, isolated system means what? Isolated system. A system which is free from external influence, right? What do you mean by isolated system? Such a system which is free from external influence. That system we call it isolated system. So if you consider the whole earth as an isolated system, so the total charge of an isolated system always remain constant, means conserved. See here something I would like to add. Within an isolated system, I am writing here, within an isolated system consisting charged body. चार्जेज जो है ना, चार्जेज में गेट redistributed. due to interacting around the other charged body. But the thing is, total charge of the system shall remain the same, बच्चों. Of charge, conservation of charge means what? Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one body to another body. Better to say the total charge of an isolated system always remain constant or conserved. See what happened, the system now that consists of so many charged body, charges may get redistributed, but the thing is the total charge of the system shall remain constant or conserved. Okay, see here is one of the body. Suppose this is one of the body, right, and this is the another body. I have taken this, see this is one of the body. I have taken 2 electrons from this body to this body. Two electrons are getting transformed from this body to this body. Then what is the charge acquired on this body? So QA is equal to removal of electron, deficiency of electron will acquire positive charge. So plus Ne is equal to N की value 2, E की value 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, right? And what is the charge here in this body B? So Q is equal to minus of any excess of electron, right? So here will be 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. See here also 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, negative charge. See in radioactive decay, uranium 92 to 38, the nucleus of uranium 92 to 38, okay, transform into thorium, right, thorium 90 to 34 with an emission of alpha particle, which is actually equal to helium He24. Here you can check 92 total charge, 92 and 90 plus 2, 92, right? So basically see within an isolated system charges may get redistributed due to interacting different bodies, but the thing is the total charge of the system shall remain constant, conserved, or so this is conservation of charge. The total charge of an isolated system always remain constant or conserved within an isolated system consisting many charged body. Charges may get redistributed due to interacting around the other charges, but the thing is the total charge of the system the total charge of the system shall remain constant, conserved, or same. So this is conservation of charge. Okay, let us remove this one. See the fourth property is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. According to quantization of charge, बच्चों, according to quantization of charge, the charge is integral multiple of basic unit of charge. Basic unit of charge. That means the total charge present on a body integral multiple of that will be the integral multiple of elementary electronic charge, that is the basic unit of charge. Now what is this basic unit of charge? Basic unit of charge why charge present on electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And according to quantization of charge, the charge on a body is integral multiple of, that means we can write Q is equal to plus minus Na. this plus minus sign will indicate the charge acquired by the body, whether it is positive or negative. And what is the n? N, you can take the value of 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 dot, right, integer. So the charge q is equal to plus minus ne. This is the quantization of charge. Means wherever charge is present will be in the form of n times e, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. Right? We see what is the cause of quantization of charge. I want to discuss cause of quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge is that only the integral number of electrons जो है ना, only the integral number of electron जो है gets transferred from one body to another. So बच्चों, this is the cause of quantization of charge. What is the cause of quantization of charge? The cause of quantization of charge is that only the integral number of electron get transferred from one body to another body. Right? See, in a process of charging na, in a process of charging जो है transfer. So this transfer of electron जो है will be in the form of integral number of electron. Either 1e, either 1e, 2e, 3e, 4e, 5e, 6e, 100e, lakhs e, 10 lakhs e, crores e, n times e. So this is how it comes. Q is equal to plus minus Ne. This is the quantization of charge, बच्चों. I would like to remind you, the charge on a body is integral multiple of elementary electronic charge. This is the basic unit of charge. Q is equal to plus minus Ne. Suppose someone will ask you what is the cause of quantization of charge, so you can say only the integral number of electron takes place in charging a body. Now let us discuss, बच्चों, property number 5, that is invariance property of charge. Invariance of charge, right? Invariance property of charge refers to the fixed value of charge regardless its speed. So let me write the invariance property of charge refers to the fixed value of charge regardless its speed, right? This is what we call invariance property of charge, that is Q at rest is equal to Q in motion. Charge at rest is equal to charge in motion. The magnitude of charge does not change. Right? This is invariance of charge. So bachcho, today we discussed the properties of charge, right? Here one question is very common: difference between mass and charge, right? There is a huge difference between mass and charge. So let us discuss mass difference. So difference between mass, right? So here let me write charge, and here I am writing mass. Okay. Number one. See, what about charge and what about mass? Charge जो है ना, charge may be positive, negative or zero. Right? As you know, charge acquired by this body is -2 coulomb. Charge acquired this body is 5 coulomb. Charge acquired by that body is 0. No net charge is there. तो चार्ज ऑफ ए बॉडी जो है माइट बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो. व्हाट अबाउट मास? मास इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. मास इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Have you heard the mass of this body is -5 kg? No, na. Mass of a body is always positive. Now second, charge does not depend on velocity. Charge does not depend on velocity. That only invariance property. Okay, invariance property. तो according to invariance property of charge जो है, the value of charge remains same regardless of speed. See, but what about mass? मास जो है, मास डिपेंड्स. अरे बाबा, how in fact increases. See this equation, you know, m is equal to m naught divided by root under 1 minus b square by c square. Suppose your speed becomes c, that means your v means speed of body, speed of an object. If v becomes c, putting here, if v is equal to c, then this equation will become m is equal to m naught means your mass, 1 minus b square by c square means c square by c square, because v is equal to c, root under 1 minus b square by c square, 1 minus 1 0, mu naught by divided by 0 is equal to what? Infinity. So how your mass जो है changes with increase in velocity, right? That means mass जो है depends. Third, but yes, mass can be transferred into energy and vice versa. Mass energy equation, right? But mass is not. Third one, charge is quantized. Mass? No, na. Mass is not. Mass is not. So charge is quantized. But what about mass? Mass is not quantized, right? Now 5 number. What is the SI unit of charge, बच्चों? हाँ, तो SI unit of charge जो है is a derived unit. See, coulomb, what is coulomb? Coulomb is derived unit. But SI unit of mass जो है, SI unit of mass is fundamental. Right? Okay. Next, point number 6. An accelerated charge जो है ना, an accelerated charge emit radiation. What about mass? An accelerated mass emits no radiation. What? Yes, na? So this is बच्चों what is the difference between charge and mass. Charge may be positive, may be negative, may be zero, but mass is always positive, right? Have you seen mass is negative? Mass of this body is -2 kg. No, na. Next is a charge. Charge does not depend upon velocity, and we have seen this equation. See, m is equal to m naught by root under 1 minus v square by c square. See this equation. If this equation is true, then mass is tending to infinity. If v is equal to c. Now see, charge is conserved, but mass is not conserved. Charge is quantized, but mass is not quantized. SI unit of charge is derived unit. SI unit of mass is fundamental unit. An accelerated charge जो है emit radiation, but an accelerated mass जो है emits no radiation. So बच्चों, this was the difference between mass and charge. Note it down. I hope you understood. Now बच्चों, let us take some questions. It's time for IQ time. Is a charge of 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb possible? Question number 1. Tell. Come on, let us solve. Is a charge of 5.8 into 10 to the power 18 is a charge of 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb possible? So how to check whether the given charge
brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. I don't wanna move like that.